Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So today I have LED headlights again for the 2019 Kia Rio. I did buy some LED. I do have a video. It's just the light bulb. I do not have the high beam to give the right of way, so that's my big issue. So I decided to get some bigger LEDs. It says it does have high beam and low beam. This is the product right here. You can see it has a fan in the back, and also all four sides will have LED. Very nice. It looks very nice. I'm hoping that it does have the high beam, because that's my main concern, because when I want to give the right of way, I can flash, flash the lights and give the right of way. So the other LED, if you don't mind not having the high beam to flash and give the right of way, then it'll be good, because it does give a good light, but I need the right of way. So I'm going to install these. Check it out. Hopefully you decide which one would you like, the one with the fan or just the one with the light bulb. Check it out. All right, so let's take out the dust cover, and I'm going to show you what light bulb I meant that does not have the high beam. So you take these off, it's pretty, but the only problem is I think when you use the other one with the fan, you can't put this cover back on, but we'll see if we can. So this have a little clip. Try to see how I can show you guys. Just have a little clip right here. You push that clip down, bring it up, and your light bulb comes out. Okay, this is the one I'm talking about. It does not have the little fan. So this one right here did not have the high beam like I wanted. So if you don't matter of the high beam, then you can get this one. But for me, I need my right away, so I decided to get a new pair. I will use this in the future if my other LED goes bad, just to have it for emergency, because I can't return it, I guess. So these are the ones. Okay, so now I will be installing these LEDs. I don't think I could put the dust cover because this is pretty long, but let's see what happens. Okay, so this basically is pretty much the same thing. You will put the LED in, find the way to put it. It's a little tough. Okay, so I have the little skinny one on the side. Hey, that looked like it fell just right. And I gotta get this clip around it and lock it in. Okay, there it goes. It's a little tougher than the other one, but hopefully I get it in right. Now I plug it, and I put the plug in the inside, try. Plug in the inside. Let's see if the cover fits. Oh wow, and the cover fits. So that is nice. That is nice. So let's take a look and see if I get the high beam and low before I install the second one. Let's close it softly. Okay. Get in the car before. Turn on the light. Okay. So yes. Let's go see. One is brighter. So if you see that one, this one is a lot brighter. See that one, you can tell in there a little bit. And this one is bright. And the good thing about it, it does have to give the right of way. So that's the light right over there. So that's what I needed. I like that. So that's low beam and that is the high beam. So now I'm gonna install the other one, and I think this is the way to go. That is the high beam. Very nice so far. So let me get the other one in and we go from there. Okay. So let me get ready for the next one. Okay guys, I got the cover a little open. This one's a little bit harder just because you don't have space. You have maybe 1.5 inches of space. So it's basically the same thing. You got to get the clip, take the clip off, and the light bulb comes out. Try to not touch the tip because they say it doesn't, the light bulb lasts less. So we take that off, and that is the light bulb. So now we get the other one. This one's gonna be a bit hard and to get in here because the other one was hard. Imagine this one. Just because there's no space. There's no space at all. So got that part in. And now we gotta play around until we get where we need it. Okay, the clip, I gotta bring it up. It's very tight, very tight. I don't like that part, but playing around with it, we'll figure it out. Down there. Okay, bring the clip down. Very hard. Okay guys, so this is how the lights look. It is very nice. You can see right across, and it is dark time. That is the low beam. This is the high beam. Very, very nice. If you have any question whatsoever, comment below, like and subscribe. Yeah, real nice. Awesome.